Is your Gcash app showing a security notice or even refusing to open? You don't need to panic. You're welcome to App Fix and In. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how you can actually fix this step, the exact step you need to follow in order to fix this issue very fast. So guys, let's dive right into the video. But first, I want you guys to actually understand why you are seeing that security notice on the app. Now, one of the reasons why you might be seeing that security notice on the app is because your phone is rooted, or maybe because your developer option is actually turned on, or you are using a cloned app. You have multiple Gcash app on your device. That is why you might actually be seeing that security notice. Or let's say you install the Gcash app from an unofficial source. That could actually lead to that security notice showing on the app. Or let's say you are using a screen overlay app, or your device even have a suspicious app or modified software. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get this all fixed. Let's dive right into the video. So before we dive right into the video, like this video, subscribe, and hit notification bell like this. Let's dive right in. So right here on your device, the first step you need to take is to go to your phone settings like this. Right here in your phone settings, you need to scroll to the very bottom like this. If you are seeing developer options at the bottom of your screen, go ahead and click on it and turn it off. You're going to see turn off at the top of the screen. This screen might actually turn blank because it involves security stuff. So the first option you're going to see on the developer option is for you to turn it off. So you just need to go ahead and click on that toggle and turn it off. Then click on OK in order to confirm that you want to turn it off. Now this is actually going to help to fix this issue. The next step you can actually take is to go to the Gcash app, click on remove, go ahead and click on delete application and delete it from your device. After deleting it from your device, you need to come right here, go to your Play Store, App Store like this, and search for Gcash. Then we'll install it back. This is actually going to help to fix this problem as well. Another way you can fix this problem is to make sure that you are using only one Gcash app on your device. If you have downloaded Gcash or a clone app that looks like Gcash on your device, you just need to go ahead and uninstall it and allow only the app you downloaded from the official Play Store. Once this is done, the issue is actually going to be fixed. So going back to the app like this, you're going to see that that error is actually going to fix once you take these three major steps I just mentioned here on this video. So you just need to follow these three major steps and the issue is actually going to be fixed. So this is how simple it is to fix your Gcash showing security notice. Hope you found this video helpful. Now like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next one. It has always been Daniel.